Imagine this. On a normal school day, you spend hours and hours learning the answers to questions. What is 2 plus 2? Who discovered gravity? When did the Roman Empire fall? But today, let's flip it. Instead of talking about questions with answers, let's explore the questions that nobody knows the answer to. The kinds of questions that make your mind race, your heart skip a beat, and keep you awake at night. The childhood curiosity when I was a kid, I used to puzzle over things that felt impossible to answer, like, what would it feel like to be a dog? Would the world smell different? Would colors look strange? And here's a scarier one. Do fish feel pain? And if they do, what about insects? Are we accidentally stepping on living beings that actually suffer? But the rabbit hole goes deeper. Was the Big Bang just a cosmic accident? Or was there a plan, a blueprint of existence? And if there is a God, how are we so sure God is a he and not a she? Or maybe not a person at all, but something our minds can't even comprehend. Why do innocent beings suffer? Think about this. Why do so many innocent people and animals face suffering? Floods, diseases, accidents, things that feel unfair? Is it random? Or is there a hidden meaning? And if life really has a plan, is my path already written down somewhere in the fabric of the universe? Or do I have free will to change it? Am I the writer of my story, or just an actor reading lines already scripted? The consciousness, mystery, and then comes the strangest puzzle of all. Who am I? Am I just a biological machine? Cells, atoms, molecules, all moving according to physics? If that's true, then why do I feel like I'm more than that? Why do I feel conscious? Why do I feel like I exist instead of just being a lump of matter? Science still can't explain consciousness. Is it just the brain firing neurons, or is it something bigger, something spiritual, maybe even universal? And then the futuristic twist: if humans build robots smarter than us, could they one day become conscious too? Would they wake up one morning and realize, I exist? The edge of knowledge. When I was younger, I assumed that someday I would get answers to all these questions. That maybe some great scientist or a wise teacher or some book would explain it all, but guess what? Even today, no one knows. Not me, not you, not even the smartest scientists alive. And that's what makes these questions so powerful, because they take you to the edge of human knowledge. And standing at that edge, you don't know if the next step will be a discovery or a mystery that lasts forever. Question 1. How many universes exist? So let's start with the first big question. How many universes are there? For centuries, humans thought we lived in one universe. The stars above us, the galaxies, the black holes, everything we could see. But now, some scientists believe we might just be living in one bubble among infinite bubbles. Imagine a cosmic ocean and our universe is just a single drop. If that's true, there could be billions, even infinite universes, each with their own laws of physics, their own versions of reality. Maybe in one universe you never existed. In another, you're a completely different person. And in some parallel universe, maybe you're watching this video, but in another language. The multiverse theory isn't proven, but it's one of the most mind-blowing ideas in science. Question 2. Where are the aliens? Now the second question. Why can't we see evidence of alien life? Think about it. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has over 100 billion stars. And most of those stars have planets. Statistically, there should be millions of Earth-like planets out there. So where is everybody? This is called the Fermi paradox. If life is common, we should have seen signs by now. But the universe is silent. Maybe civilizations exist, but are too far away for us to detect, or maybe they're hiding. Or maybe advanced civilizations destroy themselves before they ever get the chance to explore the stars. Or here's the creepiest thought. What if aliens are already watching us, but they've decided not to interfere? The beauty of not knowing, so here we are, left with more questions than answers. And you know what? That's okay. Because the beauty of science and philosophy isn't always in the answers, it's in the questions themselves. When you ask how many universes exist, or where are the aliens, you're not just looking for knowledge. You're opening a door to wonder, imagination, and endless discovery. Maybe we'll never know. Or maybe one day, a scientist or even one of you watching this video will stumble upon the answer. Until then, we stand at the edge of knowledge, staring into the unknown. And maybe that's the most exciting place to be. Closing hook. So here's my question for you. If you could get the answer to one ultimate question about the universe, what would it be? Comment below and let's build a list of the greatest mysteries together, because who knows? Maybe one day we'll find the answers.